So it's Joey here with Midway Auto and RV, and behind me we've got the new 2024 Zinger bunkhouse. Let's go check it out. First things first, we got the outdoor kitchen, your stovetop here sliding in and out, and then your fridge right here. All this slides in so you can just cover it up and you're ready to go in the morning. So, fun fact, a lot of RVs actually sometimes don't come with ladders. I can assure you this one does. There's no extra cost to you. This comes with the RV so you can actually get up top and inspect the roof. So you'll see the single slide on this side, and there's actually a lot to this, so when we go inside I'll kind of show you what that looks like on the inside. So you'll see here you got your electric awning, and underneath here there is some lighting as well that'll illuminate that when you're outside so you get a little bit longer outside time. You'll also notice the sliding glass door up here. We'll go inside and take a look. So this is your living space right here. You'll notice this couch here actually comes out into a bed on this side. 2 storage units underneath on the bottom portion of it. TV goes here, fireplace, top side as well is gonna have some storage, as well as either side here. So here's your kitchen space. As you'll notice, the first thing, there's so much counter space all the way through. There's areas too for bar stools. There's 2 that come with it as well as these 3 on this side here. Your microwave's up here, stovetop here, storage on the bottom side as well as the top and either side of this as well. But the big thing that I always notice first off is there's so much counter space all the way around, 360 degrees counter space. So in this bathroom here, you'll notice there's a lot of space. There's a lot of storage above the sink as well as underneath the sink. And then off to your left, you're gonna notice another cupboard that actually runs through to the bedroom as well. So a lot more space for both areas there. So you'll notice on either side of your spacious queen bed here, you'll have room for clothes and hanger space on either side. This sliding closet door opens up to space for a washer and dryer, as well as that space that runs between the bathroom and the bedroom. So one of my favorite parts about this is there's actually an extra space for sleeping that's a little bit secret. So we'll go in here. There's this door that leads to the bunkhouse. So in here you're actually gonna find 2 beds, so you can fit a couple adults, a couple of kids in there if you want. Or if you wanted to use it as storage space, there are cabinets on this side as well as shelving on the top end of it. So a lot of extra hidden space in the back for whatever you need. So MSRP puts this 30-foot camper here over $51,000, but your price here at Midway puts you at $39,995. This is Joey here at Midway. Come down, check it out.